Here I am at the beautiful Coconut Lagoon, which is a most marvellous resort surrounded by all these lovely tropical trees, and I've even got a native cow in the background, very rare species from this area. What I'm going to make today is a recipe that was actually given to me by the chef at Coconut Lagoon when I stayed here some years ago, and it's called a Prawn Vada Masala. And what we're going to be doing is making basically some little prawn cakes, which we'll then be frying, and we'll be making a masala that will go over them. I'll start with preparing the spices to put into the prawn cakes. Yes, I will. Starting off with some chili flakes, some onion, a little salt. Little salt always helps things to grind up a little more easily too. And also some chopped up curry leaves. And the idea is to just grind these up. You don't have to grind them into a fine paste, but what you want to do is make them fine enough so that they will mix evenly with the prawns that we're going to form into the little cakes. We then add this to the prawns. Look at the colours and the wonderful smells coming from there. And of course, a little chili powder. And this is now ready to form into the balls that we're going to be frying up as the little patties. And the idea with this is that you work them and pat them down until they form into a nice neat shape. You'll find that they'll tend to come together quite well. I like to make them into a reasonably flat patty so that it cooks through fairly easily, and I don't have to use too much oil when I'm frying them. This will probably make about 12. No Indian dish would be complete without serving it with some curry leaves. First thing I'm going to do is pop some oil into the pan and strip off a couple of fronds of curry leaves. And now those are fried off nicely, so we'll just pop them on the plate here for when we serve up. Now, because I